Hi guys, we're about to make a delicious chicken. This chicken recipe is one of the favorite chicken recipes in my house. Every time my children loves it when I make it. My husband is always asking for it as well. I just felt like, okay, let's show how we make it. So this is just chicken legs, and each time we make it, this is how we make it with the chicken legs and tie together. So the next thing I want to just do right now is to use my homemade all-purpose seasoning. This is literally whipped together in my kitchen. I buy all the ingredients and I make a very big batch of my homemade recipe, all-purpose seasoning. The reason is that sometimes I feel like it's faster to just grab your all-purpose seasoning and sprinkle on your chicken or any other meat instead of grabbing ginger, grabbing cumin, grabbing that, and spending such a long time trying to season food when you can easily just pour from one container. If you want me to share my all-purpose seasoning recipe with you, then feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Right, this is it. And the next thing I'm going to do, if you like, you can actually massage it all in. There are times I really don't bother to do all those massaging, just like now. I'm not in the mood for that. I'm not. The next thing I want to do is to top it up with my chopped onions. That is the reason I did this is because my all-purpose seasoning does not have onion powder in it. I ran out of onion powder when I was making my last batch of all-purpose seasoning, so I'm using fresh onions because who doesn't like the aroma of onions in their chicken or something else? And then I will be adding in, I'm going to be pouring in chopped tomato that comes with chili. I don't know if you can see it very well. This chopped tomatoes comes with chili. I'm going to be pouring that there now. Let me open it. Good. So here I just top it up. Look, this is just like a one pot chicken, and this is just chicken, let me say, delicious chicken recipe for the lazy person. Delicious chicken recipe for the lazy person. So sometimes I will just use only one of this and not anything else. But sometimes if you were going to use it for maybe something like rice or potatoes, then I would add more tomato seasoning here. I mean more chili, more chopped tomato here, just because I want us to have more sauce for the rice. But for tonight's one, it's just going to be for salad, so we don't need all that extra too much of tomato sauce at all. So this is how I will do this. And if you like, you can have some oil over this, but I'm not going to be using any oil on this because the chicken has more than enough oil already. There's no need adding more oil. So this one is going straight into the oven, and I'm going to be leaving it right there in the oven for the next 45 minutes to 1 hour. I will be showing this to you when it is ready. So simple, right? Just in case you're wondering what the temperature is going to be like, I'm going to be using 200 degrees C. Yes, and it's right here in the oven. Here is my chicken, guys. I literally did not do anything. I just combined it in there and I dropped it in the oven. Now you can see the results. Does this not look nice? Grab a plate there, let's have something. Does this not look nice, guys? Look at that. Look at the sauce. The sauce is well done. Can I have? This is well done. So let's serve some on the plate. Let's serve some. Okay, let me just take it from. Ooh, guys, look at this chicken. Do you love that? Ooh. Nice. That's what you got there. You got that. Now you can spoon some of this sauce over this. delicious. Nice.